A forgotten relic, deep in the forest, whispers tales of time's relentless march. A forgotten relic, deep in the forest, whispers tales of time's relentless march. Through thick underbrush, a hidden silhouette emerges, hinting at a forgotten past. Through thick underbrush, a hidden silhouette emerges, hinting at a forgotten past. A rusted muscle car, a barn find, awaits its challenging new beginning. A rusted muscle car, a barn find, awaits its challenging new beginning. Extreme close-up on flaking rust and moss, showing the truck's slow decay.
Flashlight beam cuts through glue, revealing severe rust and tangled wires inside the truck.
The rusted truck arrives at a pristine workshop, a dramatic contrast of decay and new beginnings.
The engine fires to life on the second crank, settling into a smooth, rhythmic idle.
Valve covers vibrate gently with the engine's smooth idle, a mechanical symphony.
Exhaust pipes release a perfect, deep rumble, the powerful voice of the restored machine.
A mechanic blips the throttle. The engine eagerly responds, tachometer sweeping, revealing satisfaction.
The truck's wheels slowly turn, backing out of the garage into golden hour sunlight.
The restored truck corners gracefully on a winding road, tires gripping firmly, unleashing its capability.
A high-pressure water jet blasts away decades of mud and grime, revealing original paint.
Split screen, rusted truck in forest, before. Contrasted with gleaming truck at sunset, after.
Gloved hands meticulously clean a corroded engine bolt, revealing clean metal. Overhead, a workbench covered in corroded engine components, revealing the daunting task. Close-up of the truck's pristine dashboard, restored gauges gleaming, ready for final drive.
Mechanic's gloved hands strain to unbolt a heavily corroded brake caliper, revealing extreme rust damage.
A mechanic methodically removes suspension components,
placing them onto a parts cart. A mechanic methodically removes suspension components, placing them onto a parts cart.
Overhead, gloved hands cut tangled wiring from the engine bay, revealing rust and grime.
A heavy-duty hoist lifts the massive, rusted engine from the truck's frame, revealing a bare skeleton. A heavy-duty hoist lifts the massive, rusted engine from the truck's frame, revealing a bare skeleton.
A mechanic carefully unbolts a rusted body panel, revealing more decay underneath.
Mechanic carefully pries brittle windshield rubber, revealing frame corrosion.
A quick cut montage reveals bubbling paint, corroded seams, and perforated metal, pervasive decay.
All removed truck components meticulously laid out, emphasizing the scale of disassembly.
Gloved hand cleans grime from a faded serial number, revealing authenticity.
Overhead, small rusted components are meticulously organized into labeled plastic bags. A rusted component is loaded into a sandblasting cabinet, anticipating transformation.
Glass beads blast rust from metal, transforming orange to gleaming silver instantly.
Wide shot shows large tanks of bubbling cleaning solutions, steam creating a hazy atmosphere. Small, intricate parts vibrate rapidly in an ultrasonic cleaner, grime dissolving.
A mechanic steam cleans an intricate engine component, revealing spotless metal underneath.
Fire brush on a rotary tool scrubs away rust, sparks flying, transforming the metal. Powerful compressed air clears dust from intricate crevices of a small, clean part.
Split screen, rusted, grime-covered engine component before, contrasted with gleaming, clean metal after.
A massive engine block is lowered into a boiling hot tank, steam billowing dramatically. Cylinder honing machine creates a perfect crosshatch pattern inside the cylinder bore. A massive crankshaft spins on a precision lathe, creating a smooth, polished surface.
A cylinder head is milled on a precision surfacing machine, creating a mirror-like surface.
A mechanic carefully presses a new main bearing into the engine block, a precision fit. Gloved hands meticulously cut a custom gasket, emphasizing craftsmanship for rare parts.
Mechanic uses a tap to chase threads in a bolt hole, creating clean, precise threads.
Gloved hands meticulously mask an engine component, anticipating paint, emphasizing precision. A newly painted engine component cures under heat lamps, its glossy finish gleaming. Truck frame media blasted to bare metal, transforming rust to gleaming silver steel.
Angle grinder cuts cancerous rust from the truck frame, sparks flying dramatically.
A mechanic applies brushable seam sealer to body panel joints, ensuring waterproofing.
Chrome is stripped from a bumper into chemical bath, revealing raw metal.
Gloved hands meticulously sew new leather onto a seat frame. Intricate craftsmanship.
A transmission splits open on a workbench, revealing complex internal gears. A transmission splits open on a workbench, revealing complex internal gears.
A dynamic whip pan reveals a clean engine block on a stand, ready for assembly.
Gloved hands compress piston rings, carefully inserting a piston into a cylinder bore. A mechanic carefully places a new head gasket onto the engine block, ensuring critical sealing. A mechanic connects a new wiring harness to engine accessories, an organized network. A mechanic connects new radiator hoses, securely titling clamps, ensuring a leak-free fit. A mechanic carefully aligns the engine and transmission assembly with the chassis mounts. A mechanic meticulously mounts a fresh tire onto a restored wheel, a crucial step.
soft cloth wipes the last fingerprints from the gleaming, freshly painted truck.
Glamour shot of the restored truck's side profile, perfectly aligned wheels, and flawless paint.
The truck door opens slowly, revealing a pristine, restored interior of new leather and gleaming dashboard.
The truck's hood opens slowly, revealing a spotless, gleaming engine bay. A masterpiece. A hand inserts the key into the restored truck's ignition, building anticipation. A mechanic's hand pumps the throttle, priming the fuel system, preparing for a second crank.